Hi guys, my name is Tamara. Today I'll be sharing with you a quick recipe using my very own Zimi sauce. If you don't know much about the Zimi sauce, head on to my website www.tamarascooking.com. So this recipe is pretty easy. You'll be done in less than half an hour and you're good to go feeding your family. What you need is your pasta. Pasta, it doesn't matter what you use. It could be spaghetti, linguine, anything, it'll be perfect. You need your chicken, you need your onions, you need your cream, parmesan, and for today I'm going to incorporate a bit of tomato, but I'm going to use it as a sun-dried tomato. So this is what I'm going to be using today. It's a combination of a Zimi sauce and a Zimi sun-dried tomato, which will be coming out soon. So let's get cooking. So the first thing you need to do is fry off your onions for a couple of minutes and then you add your chicken. So let's get going. So what you need is you don't have to put too much oil when you're making your onions at the start, because there's going to be a bit of oil in your Zimi sauce as well as in the cream. So you don't want to put too much because you end up having a sluggy dish. So we don't want to do that. So I think my onions are almost ready. And at this stage, I'm going to add my chicken and a little bit of the Zimi sauce. I'm not going to use all of it at the start because I will add gradually as I cook. So some of you may be wondering what kind of chicken to use. If you're following me, I never use chicken breast because I find it dries out really quickly. So for this recipe, I've used Maryland fillet. So that stays so juicy and you'll definitely thank me later. So our chicken is looking good now. So I'm going to add a little bit of that Zimi sauce to start cooking it off. Because in that Zimi sauce, there's so much flavor, your garlic, your ginger, just so much in there. So I'll add a little bit of that in there. So I'm just gonna add maybe a third of that, or maybe half. Then we'll fry it off in there. That smells so good. I actually can't wait to eat it. The colors already are just so good. And after we add the last bit of that Zimi sauce, it's just going to be spectacular. So don't forget your salt and pepper to your taste. So to avoid overcooking our chicken, we're going to add our cream and the cheese. For some people who don't like cream, you don't have to use it. You can just go straight to your cheese and the pasta and a little bit of water, and that will also do the trick. So I'm just going to add, I would say that's maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then we'll add our parmesan. Okay, that is looking so good. That looks amazing. So now we're going to add our pasta. So with the pasta, I didn't cook it all the way through because it's going to finish off cooking in the sauce. So you don't want to overcook the pasta, otherwise it's going to be a bit gluggy, like I said. So we'll add our pasta now. So we keep mixing. So it'll start looking a little bit like this. depending on how much cream you add in. So this will be the perfect time to add the last bit of that zimi sauce that you have. If you want a little bit left for the garnish, obviously don't use all of it. So I'm going to use a little bit and just leave that for my garnish later on. And then just incorporate that. Have a little taste. That's good. Just needs a little bit of salt. And a little bit more Parmesan.
Then you leave it simmering.
And that, my friends, it's all done in less than half an hour. So now I'm gonna plate it up and get going. And there we have it, guys, our creamy chicken pasta with zimi sauce. I cannot wait to dig in. So if you like what you see, head on to our Instagram page for more videos. Username is Tamara's Cooking. Also go onto our website, www.tamarascooking.com. If you're going to be recreating our dish, be sure to send us some videos or photos so we can see how you're trekking along. Also, our videos are posted on Vic263 page, so please follow them and you enjoy all our videos. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit of a problem with my hair. So if you're a hairdresser out there or if you have any hair wraps, I am happy to swap a mil for a head wrap or a hairstyle. So hook me up. Oh no, so did you? So holler at me.